Subscribe has an inbuilt feature so we can have a look at what our form will render like on both desktop, mobile and tablet. When you finish designing your form or during the design process, you can use the Actions menu at the top to run a preview. We just need to select the second option here called Preview Form. A preview will now be rendered on screen. So by default, this is what our form will look like on a desktop computer. But you can see on the right hand side, we've got a wide selection of devices to run a preview on. So if we wanted to have a look at, say, an iPhone, and down here we have some Samsung phones, Google Pixel, and you can also see in the middle here, we have various size iPads. You can hop through all the options to see what your form will look like. Sometimes when you embed your form on your website, you may notice a few different variations. The form can be impacted by global rules or styles that impact every element on your website. So bearing in mind, the preview here is for demonstration purposes only and maybe some variation when actually published.